Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware out to 20 nautical miles. The Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 12:15 a.m. At 10:15 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated showers and thunderstorms over inland sections of New Jersey and Delaware, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater. These strong winds will move over the Atlantic coastal waters between now and midnight. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Saturday for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles.
Okay.